precision, quality, industrial development. Established in 1979, Mountop Precision has the same phonetic sounding as chuan in Chinese, meaning creating win-win situations through teamwork. The company began by providing customers with heat treatment finishing work and product R&D, before later becoming the punch manufacturer. Upholding the business philosophy of steadiness and innovation, we are a professional manufacturer of a variety of pump vanes, both locally and overseas, with annual sales of $280 million and a production output of 30 million pieces. We also supply various compressors and pump vanes to branded companies locally and overseas. Under the leadership of President Lee and the company employees, we have received certification from many companies locally and in Japan, and received ISO 9001 certification in 2001. Persistence and mission. Mountop is committed to precision, durability, and high productivity. Upholding the business motto of high quality and client first, Mountop steadily moves forward with its professional technology that facilitates market extensions in China and around the world. Technically, we strive for innovation and excellence. Moreover, we value resources available to us, earth protection, and greening. In the future, Mountop shall continue to engage in active research and development of new products, recruit outstanding employees, set up advanced equipment, double its productivity within 5 years, become a modern factory, and steadily achieve the goal of providing high-precision vane products our clients can depend on.